everyone, myself Rashmi Pandey. This is remaining part of the video of Spearman's rank correlation. In this video, we will take up the methods of discussing rank correlation when ranks are not given. We have to put the ranks to different variables. So first of all, we will see the meaning of correlation. Correlation shows the relationship between two variables of a series, and it shows that how change in values of one variable are associated with change in values of other variable. Now we shall see that when ranks are not given, how will we solve that numerical? As you know that in class, whosoever gets highest marks, we teachers assign them ranks, that this student has come first, this student has come second. In the same way, we have to allot the ranks, and how these ranks are given. See the numerical example. In this accountancy and economics, two subjects marks are given of 5 students, and we have to find the correlation of these marks. Now marks in economics are given 60, 48, 49, 50, 55, and accountancy 85, 60, 55, 65 and 75. So first of all, what we will do, we shall make a table in which we have to put value of x and y. Then we have to assign ranks to these. As you see, in class he gets 1 who gets highest marks. In the given example, what we have done, we have given a smallest rank to highest rank to smallest value. 48 is smallest, so I have given 1. Then 49 is larger than that, it has got second. Then 50 has got 3, 55 4 and 65. These are the ranks I have allotted. Then in accountancy, the smallest value is 55, so he has got 1. Then after that 60, then 2. After that 65, 3, 75, 4 and 85 is largest, so we have given 5. Now in the same way as we have done earlier, what we have to do, we have to find R1 minus R2. That is difference of rank of R1 and R2. We will get D. So here 5 minus 5 will give 0. 1 minus 2, 1 is smaller and 2 is larger, we will get minus 1. 2 minus 1, 2 is larger, 1 is smaller, we will get plus 1. Then 3 minus 3 again 0, 4 minus 4 0. So total D we have got plus 1 and minus 1. Now next step is we have to do square of this one. Okay, so square, what is the square of 1? 1. Though it was minus 1 and doing a square it became plus 1. Sum of this one, what did it give us? That is 2 only. Summation D square we got 2 only. Now what we will do, we will apply the formula. Same formula will come which we have taken in when ranks were given. That is RK is equal to 1 minus 6 summation D square upon N cube minus N. 6 summation D square upon N cube minus N. Here N is 5. 5 items are given, 5 students we have taken up, and summation D square is 2. So put the values, what we will get? 6 into 2, how much it became? 12. N cube, cube of 5, 125, minus 5, it will give us 120. So final value which we have received is 1 minus 12 upon 120. Now 12 divided by 120 we will get 0.1. So 1 minus 0.1 we will get 0.9, which is a high degree correlation. This is one method when ranks are not shared and not given. Now the problem arises when we have similar value given in the question. Now what we have to do in that condition? See equal ranks. Question I have highlighted 13, 13, 10, 10, 3, 3. Now what to do? How to assign the ranks? If 2 students secure same marks, what is done? Both are given same rank. But here what is done, ranks are shared, means we do the average of the rank. How it is done? Let us see. Again, we will have to make a table. Values of x you have to write down. Then R1, see smallest value is 6, so we have given 1. Then larger than that one is 12, we have given 2. Now after 12 comes 13, and 13 is 3 and 4. So we cannot give them 3 and 4 because both are equal. So what we have to do? We have to do average of the ranks. 3 plus 4 divided by 2. Suppose one more 13 was there. So what to do? 13 plus that 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. And now 2 we will not write because 3 values have been shared. So we will write 3. Here only 2 are shared. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2. We have got 3.5, 3.5. Now up to 4 we have shared. Next rank we will assign, that will be 5. 3 and 4 we have taken. Next value will be given 5. So 22 we have given 5. Then 30 we have given 6. 37 we have given 7. 45 we have given 8. And in this way, as the values increase, we provide them rank. But most important is sharing of the ranks. Now we move towards the variable y. There 2 values are shared, 10 and 3. So smallest value is 1. It is very simple to give it 1. After that 3 is given and 3 is repeated twice. So rank 2 and 3 we will add, we will get 5. 5 because 3 is given 2 times, so we will divide it by 2. So 5 divided by 2 we will get 2.5, 2.5 for 3. Now up to 3 rank we have shared and we have given, and next value is given 6. So 6 will be given 4, not 3, because 3 we have already taken. Then next is 10. Again 10 is repeated twice. So till 4 we have taken, 10 will be assigned 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 plus 5 plus 6, 11. 11 divided by 2. What we will get? 11 divided by 2 will give us 5.5. Now up till 6 we have taken, and afterwards we will assign ranks. So after 10, 12 is given, 12 will be given 7. Then 16, 16 is 8, 17 is 9, and last 21 is 10. Now after this, simple as we have done earlier, that we have to find out the difference. How we will find out the difference? That is R1 minus R2, 8 minus 5.5. 8 is larger, 5.5 is smaller, we will get plus 2.5. 6 minus 5.5 plus 0.5. Then 7 minus 10 minus 3. All these you have to keep in mind. If the value is larger, whatever you will get, that will be positive. If the value of R1 is smaller, whatever you will get, that will be negative. Now after this we have to do a square of all the values. This is already we have done earlier, that whenever we get D, we have to do square of that D. Now what we have to do? We have to apply the formula, but what will happen, that there will be a little change in our formula. As we know that when ranks are not shared, formula is 1 minus 6 summation D square upon n cube minus n. Here also the formula will be 6 summation D square, but what happened, that because ranks are shared, so a little change in the formula will take place, and it will become 1 upon 12 m cube minus m plus 1 upon 12 m cube minus m. This m cube minus m 1 upon 12 m cube minus m will be taken as many times your ranks is shared. Okay? So in this question we have shared 3 times. Ranks have been shared 3 times, once in x and twice in y. So total 3 times we will take 1 upon 12 m cube minus m. So here the value of m will be the number of times the rank is shared. Okay? So 2 times rank is shared. So here the value of m will become 2. Now 6 summation d square is 39.5. So that value we will put, and then we will add this by solving this one, 2 cube minus 2 3 times. Okay? Now see, 3 times we have done, and the value of this one will be 0.5. How this will happen? 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 we will get 6. And this 6 will be multiplied with 1. So 6 upon 12 in total we will get, and that will we get 3 times. 6 upon 12, 3 times we will get. So 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, it will be 1.5, and that 1.5 will be added in your 39.5. And here we will take 10 cube upon 10. So 10 cube is 1000, 10 into 10 into 10, 10 into 100, 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000, minus 10, 990. Now see that this 39.5 has been added, your 1.5 will be added in the 39.5. Why? Because every time 3 times ranks are shared, so we have got 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 by putting the formula of 6 summation d square plus 1 upon 12 m cube minus m. Here again I am telling the value of m will vary according to the number of times the rank is shared. Suppose 2 ranks are shared, m will become 2. If 3 ranks are shared, m will become 3. Clear? So 39.5 plus 1.5 upon 990. This is the total value. Now this 39.5 we will add in 1.5, and total 41 we will get. So 41 will be multiplied with 6. And 6 into 41 upon 990. Now let us see what is the value, final value. It is 246 upon 990. Now after solving this one, we will get 0.25. When either 2 methods are there, either you can take LCM or directly you can solve 246 with 990. Final value we will get 0.25, and the answer will be 0.75. This is high degree correlation because this value is 0.75. So 0.75 to 0.99 is your high degree correlation. So here the answer is 0.75. Okay. Now thank you, and get ready for revising your chapter and doing as many numericals as possible.